everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, it's Abdul Khoza, well known as Shaka from the Queen Mzansi Magic. He is a trending #1 on social media after his explicit video went viral this morning. In the video guys, the king of Joburg actor is seen ekhotha ikhekhe lika sisi ongavezwanga ubuso, but kubonakala yena uSK ethatha yona le video ekukhulunywa ngayo. Chisa Life reached out to SK Khoza for comment. He responded saying he was unbothered by the video circulating on social media. It's from my only page, so I'm chilled. I don't want to talk about it, he said. Firstly guys, after seeing this video and his Instagram post, I thought no, maybe this guy or his account was hacked, until I saw his brother Abdul Khoza commenting, asking him to call him. Guys, he is okay, but abantu are very worried about him and his state of mind. He created a Twitter account by the name King Ionagele it's only for his fans, and he further requested his fans to subscribe once. So by the look of things guys, we're still gonna see this kind of content from Abdul Khoza until sivale imlomo yetu. By the way guys, Abdul Khoza is not working after he was fired from the Queen, so maybe iyona ke side hustle yakhe le kwazibani. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below guys and share your opinion. Bye.